Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Kia Sorento key battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key blade. This key will help us access the battery compartment. Keep it handy for the next step. Now that you have the emergency key out, look for a small notch on the key fob's edge. This is usually near where the emergency key was housed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist, you can begin to pry open the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing, ensuring a smooth process. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Pay attention to its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them together until they snap securely shut. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its compartment. Now, test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. You should notice an immediate improvement in its responsiveness. For more helpful tips and great deals, including on the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. We've got some fantastic offers waiting for you there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.